hello team. Let's start with a very difficult question. What is your name? Can you take turn telling me your name?
I'm Charlene.
Charlene and Elaine, Lynette.
That would be me, Tyler.
Finally, Tyler. All right, thank you very much. So, can you tell me what your team name is?
Our team name is team name semicolon colon exclamation mark. So
Semicolon colon exclamation. That is such a unique team name. Can you tell me why you guys chose this?
So it's basically because we can't come up with a good one, so we just had the word team name copy and paste in our team name, and the punctuation marks behind are just to sort of add some color.
That's definitely a lot of color. I've never seen a team name that is composed purely of characters. So I'm just curious, why is it semicolon and then exclamation mark, and then what's the last one?
Exclamation mark's the last one.
Yeah.
Okay, so why is it in that order?
It's a random order, I'd say.
Okay. Well, that's definitely very unique for you guys. What's the name of your app?
Our app name is called LandEmpty.
LandEmpty. So why did you choose this name for your app? And can you tell me a little bit more about what the app does?
Basically, the app is designed to help reduce household waste or individual waste.
Yeah.
And LandEmpty is just sort of like a joke and an antonym for the word landfill.
Yep. Landfills, the opposite of landfill is LandEmpty.
Yes.
I like it. Can you give us more details about what your app does and kind of how would a user benefit from using the LandEmpty app?
So basically, it lets you track down, okay, what kinds of things are you throwing most? What are kind of things are you throwing? And what are ways that you can either recycle, upcycle, or just cut down on your purchase or use of it, and find alternatives to decrease your household waste output.
So does it start from the current waste you have and try to reduce that, or does it prevent more useless stuff from, buying them, from accumulating?
It's basically just takes what you're throwing, and then you log it down, and then it's oh, you're throwing this kind of things. Maybe you want to try doing this if you aren't already.
So when you throw away, it locks it down so that you feel good about, oh yeah, I'm cleaning out a bunch of waste from your home. Charlene or Lynette or Tyler, do you have anything to add to, how the app help people change their lives, help them, having less waste?
Because having waste is bad.
We're just trying to guilt trip them.
Okay, that sounds like a very interesting idea, because I think we have a lot of things that I could throw away. Maybe this app would help me. So what are some, throughout working on this app and creating ideas and doing the design and actual implementation, what are some good memories that you have about the Seasons Game of App?
Chicken nuggets.
Somebody said chicken nuggets.
Among Us, which is from Among Us, actually.
Drawing the trash can Elmo.
Drawing the trash can in Figma?
Yeah.
We didn't start the fire. It was always burning since the world was turning. Okay.
I think I know who started the fire.
Charlene or Tyler, do you have anything to add to that?
And also your mom's jokes.
All right, jokes among the teams. I'm glad you guys are having a lot of fun. I'll take that as you guys had a lot of fun joking around with each other, very comfortable, drawing things in Figma, and things are just being hilarious. So a good team bonding is, I take away from that. So if I were an audience, why would someone vote for your team? Can you give me a few sentences to convince me that why I should vote for you?
Because we're awesome.
All right, that's a good answer. Is there any other reason?
Because we spent way too much time on this.
And totally didn't procrastinate.
We're very, very, very cool.
We're very honest.
Very honest, very
100%.
awesome, very cool, and did not procrastinate and work really hard on this. All right. Is there anything you would like to tell us or the audience before the championship? Any last words? Final thoughts?
Guys, should I say it?
Yeah,
No.
the marketing.
Just say it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so for every 100 votes, we're gonna give away $1. It's gonna be split very evenly amongst the people.
All right, so some incentive for cheering on for your team.
Yeah,
Who are we donating it to?
But
we're
to who?
donating it.
That
Game
is
of
the
apps.
question.
Game of apps.
All right, we'll definitely remind the audience of that. Thank you guys very much for the interview, and we'll look forward to seeing your presentation on Championship Day.
Thank you.
Thank you.